You've probably used GPS apps on your phone, like Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze. Here at the Public Utilities Commission of Ohio and Ohio Power Siting Board, we've got something very similar. They're known as the Interactive Utility-Based Maps. If you haven't tried them out, you're missing out on a world of detailed information. We've got a few tips to help you make the most of everything these maps are capable of. Let's start by looking at one of our maps. All the interactive maps will start with a disclaimer. Click the checkbox to agree, and OK to dismiss the pop-up. One of the most powerful tools available in many of our maps is the search bar. In the top left, typing in an address or county will pull up a list of results. Click on Features within the map to see key information in a pop-up box. For power siting maps, you can also type in a project name and view the boundaries of that project. Zoom in and out using the plus and minus buttons for more detail. Now let's check out the layers. The layer list is found in the upper right corner and lets you choose what is displayed on the map. For example, on the government aggregation map, I can choose to display natural gas, or electric, or both. This is a great way to visualize information by geographic area. A lot of the interactive maps have unique features like measurements, time sliders, or custom filters. To learn more about all the features a specific map has, click the About button at the top. You'll also find information about the map itself, like any relevant rules or laws. Those are just a few of the key features available in our interactive maps. If you want to learn more, check out the maps pages at puco.ohio.gov or opsb.ohio.gov.